That is bigger and smaller. Okay, now bigger is big one, bada, and smaller is chota. Okay, bada, that is bigger in count. Okay, more in numbers, while smaller is smaller in counts, less in number. Okay, so we will see an example. So you can see there are balloons drawn on the board, right? So see, this are the balloons of Lata, and these are the balloons of Kareem. Okay, these are Lata's balloon. These are Kareem's balloon. So we'll count Lata's balloon first. Okay. Now how many balloons does Lata have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many balloons does Lata have? 7 balloons. So Lata has dash balloons. So we'll write 7 over here. Okay, so now we'll count Kareem's balloon. Okay, now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many balloons does Kareem have? 5. So Kareem has 5 balloons. Okay. Now students, we have counted Lata's balloon and we have counted Kareem's balloon. Now you need to tell me who has more balloons. Who has more balloons, Lata or Kareem? Yes, Lata has 7 balloons while Kareem has 5 balloons. So Lata has more balloons. Okay. Always 7 is bigger than 5, right? 7 is more than 5. So 7 is a bigger number and 5 is a smaller number. Now students, how do we indicate a bigger number and a smaller number? See, like I will give you an example. We write 5 over here and 7 over here. Okay. So now 7 is greater than 5. So the mouth opens over here. Okay. This is a sign of bigger smaller numbers. Okay. So the mouth of the sign always opens to a bigger number. Okay. And the smaller number always gets a tail. Okay. The smaller number always gets a tail while the mouth always opens to a bigger number. Okay. The mouth always opens to a bigger number. Students, I hope you have understood what is bigger and what is smaller with the signs. Okay. So now we'll move on. You can all open your Canopy book page number 11. Now on that page number 11 you can see there is an exercise number 3 given, right? So today we will solve exercise number 3 of our Canopy book page number 11. So here you can see count and write the number in each box. So now what do we have to do? We have to count the number of objects, okay? And we have to write it in this box. Then fill in greater or smaller in each circle. And then you have to fill in the sign greater or smaller in each circle, okay? So come on, we will start with the A one. Now you can see there are birthday caps, right? We will count the number of birthday caps and write it in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are in total 5 birthday caps. So we will write 5 over here. Okay, now moving to this one. Now you have to count the number of shells and write it in this box. Okay, so we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shells. So we will write 4 over here. Now you have to fill in which is the bigger one in the circle. Okay. Now which is bigger, 5 or 4? Which is bigger? 5 is bigger, right? So the mouth will open towards 5. Okay. The mouth always opens to a bigger number. So you will put this sign over here. Okay students, so now coming to the second one, that is the B one. Again here you have to count and write the numbers in the box and then show which is greater, which is bigger and which is smaller. So we will start. We have to now count the ducks over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. ducks? 9 ducks. So we'll write 9 over here. Okay. And now cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many cupcakes? 7 cupcakes. So we'll write 7 over here. Now which number is bigger? 9 or 7? Yes, 9 is bigger. So the mouth will open towards 9 and the tail will come towards 7 because 7 is a small number while 9 is a big number. Okay students, so moving forward. Now we have already studied bigger and smaller, right? So now you can see a picture over here, right? So we are going to use that picture and we are going to fill the signs of bigger and smaller in each of these boxes, okay, in each of these blanks. So now we will start with the first one, 4 and 7. So which is the bigger number over here? You can use the picture and tell me. Which is the bigger number over here? In 4 and in 7, which is the bigger number? 7. Very good. So the mouth will open towards 7. Okay. Coming to the next one. 6 and 5. Which is the bigger number over here? 6. So the mouth will open towards 6 and the tail will come towards 5 as 5 is a smaller number. Next one. 9 and 4. Which is the bigger number over here? 9. So the mouth will open towards 9 and the tail towards 4. Next one, 10 and 9. So which is the bigger number over here? 10. So the mouth will open towards 10. E, 9 and 3. Which is the bigger number over here? 9. So the mouth will open towards 9 and the tail towards 3. Okay? So you can carry forward the exercise ahead. You have to open your Canopy book page number 30 as given. Now you can see the question is, B question is, ring all the numbers smaller than 7. Now you have to circle, ring is circle, all the numbers that are smaller than 7. ठीक है, जो 7 से छोटे हैं count में. Okay? So all the numbers smaller than 7 have to be circled. So we will start. 4. Now is 4 smaller than 7? Yes. So we will circle 4. We will ring 4. 2. Is 2 smaller than 7? Yes. So we will ring 2. 5. Is 5 smaller than 7? Yes. So we will ring 5 over here also. 6. Is 6 smaller than 7? Yes. So we ring 6. 9. Is 9 smaller than 7? No. So we won't circle 9. Okay. We will not circle 9. 10. Is 10 smaller than 7? No. So we will not circle 10 also. Okay students. So now coming to exercise number 4. Here you have to count the fingers and you have to write the number and number names. Okay. So we will start with the A one. Now how many fingers can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 8. How many fingers can you spot? 18. So we will write 18 over here and here we will write the number name, that is E, I, G, H, T, double E, N, 18. So you can carry forward the exercise in the same way. Okay students, so now moving to exercise number 5, we will do before, after and between. We already studied what is before, what is after and what is in between. Before मतलब पहले, after मतलब बाद में and between मतलब बीच में, right? So now today we will solve the sums again, okay? So we will start with the first one. Now what comes before? Already there is a number line which is provided provided in the book. You can use that number line or number strip and you can solve. Okay. So what comes before 19? 18. Yes. So we write 18 over here. What comes before 11? 10. So we write 10 over here. Now after. Now what comes after 12? After मतलब बाद में. तो 12 के बाद क्या आता है? 13. So we write 13 over here. What comes after 15? 16. So we write 16 over here. Now coming to between. Now between मतलब बीच में. Okay. So what comes between 10 and 12? 11. So we write 11 over here. What comes between 18 and 20? 19. So we write 19 over here. Okay students. So now moving forward, we move to comparing numbers. Okay. Now you can see there are two kids, Asha and Sudhir, right? Now Asha has 12 balls. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Asha has 12 balls. Okay. Sudhir has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Sudhir has 17 balls, right? So now who has more number of balls? Right. Sudhir has more number of balls, right? Because 17 is greater than 12, right? So here who has more number of balls? Sudhir. Because Sudhir has 17 balls, so the mouth of this bracket will open towards Sudhir because the count of Sudhir's ball is more. So if you write it like this, 12 is lesser than 17. The mouth always opens on the bigger number. Okay? Okay students, so moving forward to exercise number 6. We already studied comparing numbers, right? So now we move to the exercise. Compare and fill in the box with greater or smaller or equal to sign. Okay, you have to fill in with the signs. Now here we will start with the first one. 8 and 15. Which is the bigger number over here? 15. So the mouth will open towards the 15, that is bigger number, and tail towards the smaller number. Second one, 11 and 10. Which is the bigger number over here? 11. So towards 11. 19 and 14. Which is the bigger number over here? 19. So towards 19. 19 and 16. Which is the bigger number over here? 19. So towards 19. 9 and 19. Now which is the bigger number over here? 19. So towards 19. The mouth will open towards 19 and tail towards the smaller number. 12 and 12. Now these both numbers are same. 12 and 12 on both the sides. So we will represent it as equal to. हम equal to लिखेंगे मतलब दोनों numbers same है. Equal है दोनों numbers. Okay, so equal to. Okay students, so moving on to exercise number 6. Okay, now in exercise number 6, second one, you see ring the biggest number. Now what do we have to do here is we have to circle, that is ring. Ring matlab circle. So you have to circle the biggest number in the slot. Okay, like 7, 17 and 13. So now which is the biggest number here? 17. So we will circle 17 over here. You have to circle or ring the biggest number. Second one, 29 and 11. Which is the biggest number over here? 20. So we will circle 20. Okay, now moving to the third part. Ring in the smallest number. Now here you have to ring in, you have to circle the smallest number in the slot. Okay, like 20, 12 and 14. Now which is the smallest number over here? 12. So we will circle 12. With 15, 5 and 8. smallest number and you will end in the biggest number. Okay. So looking on the first example, 10, 8 and 16. Now you have to take these numbers from smallest to biggest. Okay. The small number will come first and the big number will come last. Okay. So which is the smallest number over here? 8. So we will write 8 first, then 10. And then biggest number is 16 over here. So 8, 10 and 16. Next one, 15, 10 and 20. Which is the smallest number over here? 10. Then 15. And the biggest number is 20. So 10, 15 and 20. Now moving to the second question. That is, write these numbers from biggest to smallest. First we wrote from smallest to biggest, right? Now we are going to write from biggest to smallest, okay? So 12, 18 and 6. Which is the biggest number over here? 18. So we will write 18 first, then 12. And then the smallest number, that is 6. Next one, 7, 19 and 17. Which is the biggest number over here? 19. So we will write 19, then 17 and the smallest number, that is 7. So now we will study counting downwards. So till now we have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Now we will count it in descending order, that is downwards. Okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay? So let's start with the exercise. Downwards is going down, that is from 10 to 1. Okay? Let's start with exercise number 9. So here 20 and 19, two numbers are given to us. So we have to do the backward counting. Okay, now we have to count downwards. So 20, 19, what comes before 19? 18. Before 18, 17. Before 17, 16. Before 16, 15. Like that you will count backwards. 14. 13, 12 and 11. Okay, the same way this one. 15, 14. What comes before 14? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 and 6. Okay, so you have to count backwards. If you have any doubts regarding this video, you can ask me in the live session.